This is the Oversized XXL folding camping cot. It's heavy-duty sleeping cot for adults with mattress and pillow. It's a portable cot, comes with a carrying bag, and measures 78 by 32 by 18 inches. The really nice thing about this is that it has a 500-pound capacity. It has a 15-inch head tilt with a built-in pillow, plus a removable mattress that's really very comfortable. It sets up in 10 seconds, comes down in 10 seconds. There's a handy side pocket to keep all your items organized right next to you. And as I said, it's spacious and oversized. It's much larger than what a regular cot would be. Plus it's nice and long for tall people, being at 78 inches. It's so easy to store. It's not just a camping cot, it's a guest bed that folds up to fit in a closet under the bed. It's only 45 inches by 10 inches when folded and put in its carrying bag. The only thing that is a little difficult with this in the setup is pushing down that center bar to get it to lay perfectly flat. When you lay in it, it'll go flat. But you really have to press down, and it's a little difficult for people with arthritis to get that down. We were having kind of a hard time with it. But you can check with the company, look at other videos. It does go absolutely flat. So don't hesitate based on what you see right here, right now. Go ahead, pick one up, give it a try. It would also make a really great gift for someone. And at this price, you just can't beat this nice little cot, or I should say, this nice big cot. You're going to love it.